our channel, where today we take an in-depth look at the highly anticipated Mercedes-Benz EQG, the all-electric evolution of the legendary G-Class. The EQG is a perfect blend of iconic design and cutting-edge electric technology, ensuring it carries forward the spirit of the G-Wagon while embracing a sustainable future. The exterior of the Mercedes-Benz EQG retains the boxy, rugged appeal that has made the G-Class an icon. While it looks similar to its combustion engine sibling, it features key updates to reflect its electric nature. A striking illuminated front grille replaces the traditional one, with LED elements giving it a futuristic feel. The body remains robust, crafted to handle off-road adventures with ease. The EQG rides on aerodynamic wheels designed to maximize efficiency, and the charging port is seamlessly integrated into the design. With its high ground clearance and muscular stance, the EQG commands attention on any terrain, ensuring it remains a head-turner in both urban and off-road environments. When it comes to performance, the EQG is nothing short of impressive. Equipped with 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, it offers true independent control, making it exceptionally capable on rough terrain. The EQG also features a unique tank turn function, allowing it to spin in place for unrivaled maneuverability. Instant torque from the electric motors ensures rapid acceleration, while the robust battery pack provides a substantial driving range. With Mercedes-Benz's advanced electric drive technology, the EQG delivers smooth, quiet, and responsive performance. Additionally, the regenerative braking system enhances efficiency by recovering energy during deceleration. Whether tackling steep inclines, rocky paths, or city streets, the EQG ensures confidence in every drive. Step inside, and you are greeted by a luxurious and tech-forward interior. The cabin combines traditional G-Class ruggedness with modern advancements, featuring high-quality leather, metal accents, and a fully digital dashboard. A massive MBUX infotainment system takes center stage, offering AI-powered voice commands, navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, including range estimates and energy consumption. The seating is plush and spacious, ensuring supreme comfort for both driver and passengers. Ambient lighting with customizable colors creates an immersive atmosphere, while premium Burmester audio delivers an unmatched sound experience. Practical storage options and a generous cargo area make the EQG as functional as it is stylish, catering to both adventurers and urban drivers alike. When it comes to pricing, the Mercedes-Benz EQG is expected to be positioned at a premium level, reflecting its advanced technology and luxury pedigree. While official pricing details are yet to be confirmed, estimates suggest a starting price around $150,000, potentially going higher with additional customization and packages. The EQG is set to compete with other high-end electric SUVs while retaining the exclusivity and prestige of the G-Class name. The Mercedes-Benz EQG represents a bold step into the future while staying true to its heritage. With its unmistakable design, outstanding off-road capabilities, and state-of-the-art electric technology, the EQG is more than just an electric SUV, it's a statement. Whether you are an off-road enthusiast, a luxury car lover,